The World Wide Web is without a doubt a tremendously helpful tool. In actuality, the internet has greatly expanded and changed our worldview. We can easily get any information we need by pressing a button. However, by opening its doors to virtual strangers, the online world has also exposed impressionable children to risks. Long cut off from Western Europe, Russia grew up without taking part in developments such as the Reformation, which many Russians that are proud of their distinct culture consider to be of doubtful value. As a result, Russia is the most odd member of the European family, although it is really European at all. The issue is still up for discussion, particularly among Russians. The automobiles are a beneficial factor for transportation, but it also has the potential to cause obesity, injuries, fatalities, and pollution. Burning fossil fuels may keep economies afloat in the short term, but it wreaks havoc on the environment in the long run. Similarly, information technology has side effects in educational contexts ranging from daycare to the classroom to the lecture hall and beyond. Young travelers can participate in short-term work or internships as part of the Australian Working Holiday Visa, to offset any travel expenditures they may incur during their visit. Participants are placed in paid entry-level employment across Australia as part of the program. If the stigma of sleep still lives in your office, think of forming an initiative at work to encourage sleep explicitly. If that appears extreme, consider how the multiple uses of sleep, more extraordinary imagination, improved productivity, even lower healthcare expenses have the prospect to affect the bottom line directly. The morale on the team had declined, and not simply because team members had overworked. It was also because there was no justification for any project, and no purpose seemed visible. Apart from this, it now became challenging to differentiate themselves in the marketplace because their work, which had formerly colonized a distinctive and promising niche, had become so prevalent. At the closing hours, while packing up the tools, the candidate just tossed the tools into the box and shut the lid. It would be like a minor offense for a layman, hardly noteworthy enough to mention, let alone outweigh a day's worth of otherwise excellent work. While to the team, it represented negligence that didn't connect with their vision of the perfect person for the job. Note down the opportunity in your journal. Second, pen down a list of 3 options that would require passing to be nominated. Third, write down a list of 3 daunting tasks required to go through to pass in pursuit of being considered. By definition, if the opportunity fails to pass the first set of benchmarks, the answer is a clear no. there is a hefty price just in terms of human dynamics. The fact is, inspiration and teamwork decline when there is a lack of ambition. You can instruct leaders on communication and cooperation and conduct 360 feedback reports. However, if a team lacks clarity of goals and roles, issues will strengthen and multiply. Low Earth orbit is now more accessible for more people to experience the wonders of space, tweeted NASA Administrator Bill Nelson, who was a congressman when he hitched a ride on a space shuttle decades ago. The Earth just had the hottest month in recorded history, and it's even worse than normal. The record comes in a run of unprecedentedly hot months. Not only does it break through the all-time record set a year before, it also continues an out 10-month-long streak of months that are the hottest ever according to NASA data. Soil is the top layer of the Earth's surface, mostly created from weathered rock. It is made up of varying amounts of minerals, humus, or decayed organic matter, and useful living creatures like worms. The finest rock particles within soil form sticky clay, the medium particles become silt, and the coarsest constitute sand. Just as the world's fifth largest economy emerges from the COVID-19 pandemic, the post-Brexit shortage of truck drivers and a spike in European natural gas prices has left the UK grappling with the grim prospect of a potential food supply crunch and soaring energy bills.